Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos. In this video, we'll learn how to enter a prescription against a sale bill in Logic ERP. So, let's get started. Head to the Sale Bill touchscreen module. Enter the patient details along with the doctor's name. Here, you can enter the number of days for which the prescription is valid. Let's enter the prescription days as 10. Click on the attached document option to upload the doctor's prescription slip. Then, click at Document and use the first icon to browse and select the prescription image from your system. You may also enter the document title, validity period, description, and any relevant remarks. You can also use the camera option to scan or capture the prescription directly using a webcam. You can select the required camera and resolution and then click Take Picture to capture the prescription image instantly. Finally, click on Save. You can also view the entered prescription details here. Now, let's proceed to scan the items. Select the prescription type, OD, once daily, BD, twice daily, TDS, 3 times a day, or QDS, 4 times a day. Let's select prescription type as OD. As you can see, once the prescription type is selected, the prescription days and prescription due date are automatically calculated and updated based on the defined quantity. Let's add a few more items. After completing the transaction for the items, enter the payment details and save the bill. The bill has been successfully generated and saved. Let's generate one more bill. For this bill, we will skip specifying the number of prescription days. Now, attach the prescription document and proceed with the transaction of items. Let's also skip the selection of the item prescription type in this bill. As observed, in this bill, we have not entered the prescription days and prescription type. Now proceed to enter the payment details and save the bill. Now, go to the Enter Prescription Against Sale Bill module. In the upper section, you can view the list of sales bills. In the lower section, the details of the selected bill are displayed along with its associated prescription information. Since all prescription information was entered for the first bill, it is reflected here. However, for the second bill, as we did not enter any prescription details, the prescription fields are displayed as blank. Now, this screen allows us to enter prescription details directly against the sale bill. Let us now proceed to add the prescription details for the selected bill. After entering the required details, save the data. So this is how, if a bill is generated without prescription details, you can easily add them later from this single screen in a quick and most efficient manner. Let's return to the sale bill window. Suppose an existing patient revisits the store, simply enter the patient's name. The system will then automatically fetch the last consulted doctor associated with that patient. To use this feature, ensure that the option Auto Pick Last Doctor Name on Patient Selection is enabled in the sale voucher configuration for the relevant billing series. You may also notice that the bottom section displays the items that were sold to the patient in their last bill. If the patient requests some of the same medicines again, you can quickly retrieve them by selecting the items directly from this list. If you wish to view items sold to the same customer from all previous bills, simply click on show items from all bills. Now, proceed by entering the prescription days. Then, select the required items from the list to retrieve in the bill. As observed, the items have been retrieved in the item details window. You may also include additional items if needed. Finally, enter the payment and save the bill. Let's have a glimpse of the patient-wise prescription report. This report provides a concise view of all prescriptions generated for patients, enabling quick review and accurate tracking of prescribed medicines.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.